gonna go to a new house, newly constructed house, Lago Mar Subdivision. We have a lagoon. We're still building a lagoon. Lagoon for residents. Amenity village. They're still building it. We're now approaching the house. The brand new house. It's got a two-car garage. One-story house, newly built, and we're gonna have a tour inside. Let's see if it's fixed. Entrance from the garage. Ta-da! The main door, and the laundry room is right beside the door, so you got washer dryer. It's very clean, it's brand new. Closet, security panel controller right next to the garage door, the door towards the garage. So when you get in, if you have an alarm, you can just arm it or disarm it. So a full bath. Full bath on the first floor. Nice. Single sink. And linen closet. Oh, here's a light. Utility closet. So that's the linen. And this is where we entered the door to the garage. And this is the first room. First room right after you enter. Nice window. You can see the air conditioning unit outside. You can see the intersection there. And closet. Nice big walk-in closet. And this is the living room or sala. It's got cathedral ceilings with a ceiling fan, so it's wide. With big windows, and the other side there's still empty lot. Then you go directly to the combination. It's the combination dining and kitchen. With stainless steel refrigerator, freezer. So you got freezer, Still empty, there's no food. You're gonna be hungry. But there's some groceries already. So there's a lot of food with wine. Coffee maker. This didn't come with the house, right? No. Only the refrigerator and the stove range oven. So you got a big oven and a nice stove. So there's toaster oven and a big pantry. So this is good. You can store a lot of food here. So if there's like panic buying, or if you think you're gonna run out of food, you can fill this up with food and you will not go hungry. And you got nice big cabinets on top of the counter. So you have a microwave and exhaust for the stove. So big cabinets. And they also have cabinets under, or no, the drawers. Drawers. More cabinets, storage. Cabinets and drawers. And a huge sink, stainless steel sink with a swiveling, and can have a hose also here. And this is, you have to open this to get water out. And there's a lot of dessert. Yay, I can eat. And you have dishwasher right here. And this one doesn't open. But here there's a drawer, storage cabinet under the sink. Okay. With a built-in incinerator, which is a garbage disposer or disposal system, electric powered. And then this is almost like a bay window, but doesn't look like a bay window, but it's got a ledge that you can sit. We have a lot of guests. So this is the window of the kitchen. And then we have another room here. Actually, there are two more rooms. So this room number one, that's, so they're still fixing it. We have also a walk-in closet. So it looks good. And then this is the Honeywell home system that will probably control the air conditioning and heating system. So in between the two, two bedrooms, you have another toilet, and it's a full bath with tub. So you can see there's a tub here. So it's a full shower and single sink. And that's me doing a tour. Instead of camping, I'm doing a tour of new house. And here's the second bedroom. Looks like it's gonna be turned into a office, like an office room with closet. And you can see the Texas afternoon is almost sundown or sunset. So next we're gonna show you the masters. Yeah, I already showed the first bedroom. I called it number one bedroom, but it's a third bedroom. So there's 1, 2, 3, plus this the master's bedroom. So it's a big bedroom with a wide open window or windows. And the bed's already set up. It's high ceiling, like a vaulted ceiling with air return for the aircon or air conditioning system, and there's the vent. And here's the master's bathroom. So you have a tub with a clear window, so when you go to the tub and take a bath, people will see if somebody's outside, so you have to use the blinds. And then the sink, you have a double sink, so you can have two of you can do toothbrush or whatever, or wash your face. So it's a lot of space. And then you have a separate shower. So this is a shower stall. So you can take a shower, and then somebody else can take a bath. And the toilet is separated here with its own door. Its own door, and so you can do your business here, number one or number two, and while somebody else is taking a bath or brushing their teeth, so you don't be in each other's way if there's two of you using the bathroom at the same time. And this is the walk-in closet. So it's a huge walk-in closet. See, it's big. So you can have you can hang stuff there. You can hang stuff down here also. And there's still more room there. They put cabinet there. And you can hang stuff, you can put stuff up on the ledge. So there's a lot of spaces. So if you're just one person, you probably won't be able to fill this, but it depends how much wardrobe you have. And that's a huge mirror there. And it's me, the Pinoy solo camper, doing a house tour. This is a brand new house. This one has a lot of cabinets too, so because it's wider, you got two sinks. And you can, and the lights is even brighter with the lights on. So you can see shower. I like the shower because it's wide. It's like a wide space there. And you can take a shower and have a good shower, a hot shower. It's what you need if you're camping. You want a good shower. And then you can take a bath there if you just want bubble baths. So that's your master's bathroom with a double door, which is really nice. It looks like a French door. So double doors, they split the door, so this is a wider door than the standard door. So when you come in, you'll see it right away. You get a good look outside. And that is basically the master's bedroom. And then we're gonna go outside the back door. So right beside the master's bedroom, there's a patio out here, and your fence, you got like 1 meter on the side, and then there's a gate there, so you can go straight here or you can go straight outside. And you got a very big patio. You can have parties here if you want. And then you have backyard, and your neighbor is there, but you're not finished yet. And the bricks are painted. That's the style they have. And here on the side you get, I think that's another gate. The access is only to access the air conditioning. So basically that's your house. It's a brand new 4-bedroom house, 1-story 4-bedroom house. This is the back view. already shown you the front view. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. A new house here in Galveston area. So this is the view from the master's bedroom. So once you come out of the master's bedroom, sink view, you can see the kitchen in action. And cooking chicken. And there's your refrigerator, your living room. Stone countertops with white colored stone. This home is made by Highland Homes. Highland Homes here in Lago Mar. There's even customized keys for the house by Highland. And the garage door opener, Lift Master. Looks like the lights are LED, so that's why it's bright, and it will use up less electricity too. LED lights, so it's very efficient, the usage of electricity. So it's a low use of electricity, so you can save money on electric bills. Because most of these lights, I think also the lights up there, it's probably also LED. Very nice. Thermostat for the centralized air conditioning system. Okay guys, thank you for watching my first brand new house tour. Okay, if you have any questions, please write in the comments below. And if you like this house or if you don't like this house, let me know. And if you like me to tour more houses and record them for this channel, let me also know. If not, I just want to let you know that I enjoyed touring this new house, and thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, bye-bye.